But the reasons why the renminbi is not particularly sensitive to interest rate differentials and monetary policy differentials is because the capital account is fairly closed. And when you get a PBOC telling you that whilst they may want it slightly softer on a trade-weighted basis, they're basically after a stable renminbi. I think the focus and the operative word is stable. And so you're right to refer to the solidity of it. A quirky and interesting point is also, given that interest rate differentials have reversed and China has got much lower inflation than the US, also means that on a purchasing power parity basis, it is meant to be supportive of a renminbi. So the bottom line is we think that the renminbi might soften slightly as dollar strength broadens and the trade-weighted adjustments are made. But it is not going to be at the bottom of the lot of Asian currencies or any other currencies, despite the stark monetary policy differential.
All right, so it's going to soften a bit. 36.84 is where spot is right now in dollar China. How soft?
Okay, so we're looking at dollar renminbi perhaps in the first half of the year, flirting with 648 to 656 levels, and at the second part of the year, probably being coming back to 632, 636 range, meaning for the full year 2022, it's not going to be very much changed. And in terms of adjustment against the dollar, and on a trade-weighted basis, it's just going to be slightly softer through the first half of 2022.
Okay, so, we've established that RMB is not going to be anywhere near worst hurt because of more dollar strength expected in the first half of next year. Who is going to be tail end Charlie, among EM Asian currencies? Who's most vulnerable?
Yeah. I mean, this is something that we are trying to reiterate according to the changing dynamics. Typically, we would have flagged up the usual suspects, the twin deficits, and so with higher oil as well, rupee, peso, and rupiah would have been at the bottom of the pile. But this time, rupiah has got coal support, so it may not decline as much. Whereas the Philippine peso has got more volatility around it due to higher inflation, so lower real rates, and I think some political uncertainty ahead of the May elections. So peso may feel the brunt of this quite badly. Rupee may get some buffer from the FX reserves built up, but this is not going to be a total insulation in any case.
Hi, I'm Emily Tan, and thanks for watching CNBC. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.